Hello guys, so today I will show you all the feature of PeakAI and how can you use all the feature from starting from installing the our extension to using our dashboard. So let's first come to our website, which is the peakai.com, and here you can see here it is. So you can click on add to Chrome, then it will redirect you to our Chrome web store page. Then you can click add to Chrome, add extension, then it will redirect to our dashboard. Then here you can see there will be two options. One is continue with LinkedIn and another is continue with email address. So I'm typing our email address, send OTP. So after clicking on verify code, here you can see it is our well. Now coming to the find contact feature. Here you can copy paste anyone's LinkedIn profile URL and you can get contact. Let me copy Kunal's account. Then you can paste the URL here and find contact. You can see there are three outputs. First is phone number, secondary email ID, and work email ID. Can click on reveal. Here it is the phone numbers, then secondary email ID, and here it is the work email. Now directory search. So here you can find contacts by putting their directory identification number. So for finding directory identification number, you can come to Java call, search Java call, and here you can see our extension is pop up. So here you can search anyone's company. I am searching Lenscard Solution Private Limited. Then click on extract contact. Then here you can see all the names of the company directors. So there is a two option. Firstly, you can click on extract contact and you can find the phone number from here, or you can copy that in and paste it here in our dashboard. Then find director, then reveal phone number and reveal email address. So here you can see. Then coming to the another feature, which is enrichment. So if you have someone's personal details like name, role, or company, so you can find their LinkedIn URL. From LinkedIn URL, you can find their contact. So like, let me search Kunal Bhal, job role founder, company Titan. You can click on enrich, and here you can see we found his LinkedIn URL. So from you can copy paste here in this feature, find contact, and you can find contact. So here you can see another option is by email address. So you can copy paste anyone's email address and click on enrich email, and you can find the LinkedIn URL. Again, you can copy paste the LinkedIn URL and then you can find the contact. Now another feature which is verify email. If you have someone's email address, then you can verify it is correct or not. So for that, you can copy paste someone's email, then click on verify email, and here you can see the output. It is verified. Let me show you one incorrect email ID also. You can put and click on verify. You can see it is not verified or it is invalid email. In dashboard, you can see the history section also, where you can see all the transactions, the operation type, where it is verify email, enrich or find contact, all the queries, the result details, the status, and also how many queries it is used. Now there is another option where you can use our Chrome extensions directly from here. You can click on Add to Chrome. You can see here all the extension offers.